One of the questions I'm often asked is there anything that I can do to maximize my compensation for my personal injury settlement? I'm Keith Conkle, personal injury lawyer out of Naples, Florida. And one of the biggest things you can do, there are multiple things you can do, but what I'm going to talk to you about in this short video, this educational informational video, is basically getting your medical care. The first thing you should do is make sure that you get medical care immediately. The fact is, if you get in a car accident, it's actually probably best for your case and your settlement to go directly from the scene of the accident in an ambulance. And what I mean by that is, it's better not to take chances. In other words, go get immediately the medical care you need. One, that protects you and your injuries or your possible injuries. And another thing it does is documents the seriousness of your injury. If you're in an accident and all of a sudden you're feeling pain and uncomfortableness, or you've got visible injuries, go to the hospital immediately, preferably in an ambulance. If you don't do that for whatever reason, the next best thing is to go to the hospital that day and get checked out, the doctor that day and get checked out. If not that, then go as soon as possible. In other words, get medical care immediately, because let's face it, insurance adjusters, if you don't go get medical care, they're going to think this person wasn't injured. They didn't go to in an ambulance. They didn't go to the hospital that day. They didn't go to the hospital the next day. They didn't go to the hospital or a doctor the next week. It starts to become less and less believable, according to the insurance adjusters at least, that you were injured if you're not going to get medical treatment. Another thing is obtain and keep all medical records. In other words, keep all the medical records you get at the emergency room. Keep all the medical records you get from your doctor. If you don't have them, get them. Get medical records, get medical bills, anything and everything that documents your treatment, prescription information you should keep from the pharmacy, physical therapist, chiropractor, anything and everything. MRI records, if you can, get the CDs, DVDs basically of the count and the footage of your MRI or CAT scan and so on. Keep all that, and if you can, make a copy, give it to your attorney, or hold on to it, and if you send one to your adjuster, maybe keep one for yourself as well. And another thing that I would encourage you to do is follow your doctor's orders. In other words, the doctor says you need 2 or 3 weeks of physical therapy, intense physical therapy, every other day. And then after that, you can do it maybe twice a week. And after that, maybe once a week. Follow it to the T. If you have to miss, call them and reschedule and get in immediately. Don't just not treat for days and weeks and months, or a year or more, and then all of a sudden think like, you know what? I'm still having this pain. I'm still having this problem. I should have got treatment when I did, and now all of a sudden the insurance adjuster is going to look at your case and be like, okay, this person not only didn't get treatment, this person didn't even follow the doctor's order, so they help make the situation worse for themselves, and in that case, there's a potential that your settlement could be less. These are things that are going to actually help your settlement get to the fair value that you deserve. When I say maximum compensation, what I mean by that is the fair value that you deserve for the injuries that you obtain, your lost wages, your medical expenses, your pain and suffering, things of that nature. All right? We want to do everything ethical, and we want to be honest and upright, but at the same time, you don't want to hurt your case and make the settlement a lot less than you deserve. Another thing is, obviously, get all the treatment you need. In other words, if the doctor says you need 2 months of therapy and you need 2 months of this, and after that time period you're still in a lot of pain, and the situation isn't resolved, don't just stop getting treatment. Get all the treatment you need, so that when it does come time to focus on your settlement and how much the settlement is going to be, all your treatment has been completed, that's possible to be completed, and that way we can see what exactly are your injuries, what's going to be the need for now, what's going to be the need for the future, etc. Other thing you can do is call an attorney. Doesn't have to be me, it can be any attorney, but I would encourage you to get a free consultation with an attorney to protect all your rights, because I'm touching base on just one little aspect, however very important aspect, or one aspect of what you can do to maximize your compensation if you're ever in a personal injury claim, whether that be a car accident, maybe it's a slip and fall, maybe it's a work injury, it could even be such things as, God forbid, a medical malpractice where the doctor messes up. Make sure you document. All right? If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. My name's Attorney Keith Conkle. My phone number is 239-269-3587. Or you can email me at keith@conklelawfirm.com. And I'm always happy to answer questions. I hope this helps. Keep watching these videos that I post on my site. Just one of these videos could save you a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of heartache by not knowing what to do should this ever come upon you. I'm going to be posting more videos. Subscribe, like, follow, share if you can. Remember, I got a YouTube channel. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You name it. Follow me, and I've got a lot of different videos and things that I think you'll find very valuable. Thank you. Have a great day.